This is the Berkleytown Heritage Park. At one time, Berkleytown was an all African American community. It was actually outside the town limits. So this park kind of commemorates the struggles and the accomplishments of these people. It's kind of a short trail on the railroad track and has a bunch of placards. So we'll go through that quick. So the first marker goes over some of the famous people of Berkleytown and their accomplishments. And there are some grave sites here on private property. They're unmarked. Nobody knows who's really buried there. Presumably some African Americans from Berkleytown. The second plaque goes over some of the Black-owned businesses in Berkeley. This signage talks about the everyday life of the people in Berkleytown, community groups, segregation, etc. And this plaque goes over religion, a foundational part of the Black community back in the 1920s and even to today. So some of these Baptist churches are still around in the area today. This last placard is about education and the struggles that people faced. It's about how they created the first school for Blacks in the area. And that's the way back we came, and then this goes out to a main road, and there's another park on the left, which we're going to cover along the other side of the railroad tracks.